Hi, Caroline here. I am the founder and the smooth operating officer here at Love Scrub to answer all your questions about African exfoliation. I get asked this question all the time. Funny story, when I first started designing Love Scrub, my dad actually thought that it wasn't long enough. He thought that I need to make it twice the size because he uses one that is super long, but I think that the size that I designed for Love Scrub is perfect. It is perfect for reaching all the hard to reach areas. It's long enough to scrub your back with ease, which is, I feel, so important. You don't have to buy multiple tools to reach your back. You don't need to ask anybody for help. It's one tool for the whole body. So I personally think that it is the perfect length, and it actually gets longer with time. Please feel free to check out our website to learn more and also to pick up an authentic African mesh body exfoliator. You'll thank us later.